Okay, awesome. So here we had to solve 4,345 minus 2,284 using the takeaway method and using the hierarchy counters or counter manipulatives. And so here I have the original equation with 4,345 represented here by the hierarchy counters, minus 2,284. And so what I decided to do was that I would take the original image or the original counters and I just place them here in order for me to kind of figure out how I would go about solving it. And so off to the side, I did create the equation in the standard algorithm to kind of help me to figure out place value. And so the first thing I did was 5 minus 4. And so I had 5 counters. And then I took out 4 counters, as you can see. And then, since 4 minus 8 would result in a negative number, what I had to do was take a place value from the 300 here, and this would increase the 14 value, or the 4 value, into a 5, like a 50 value. And so it would add another value. And so then it would be 14 minus, or I guess you could say 140 minus 80. And so then in that case, the result of that is 6. And so I had the original 4 counters, and then I added 14 extra counters because it would increase by 10. And so I just eliminated 6, or no, I eliminated 8 counters here, thus leaving 6 counters. And then since we removed a place value from the 3, that would in turn become a 2 place value. And so it would be 2 minus 2. And so since we already had 1 removed, it would just result in these 2 no longer being in the equation. And finally, we had 4 minus 2, or 4,000 minus 2,000. And so I removed 2 1,000 counters. And so here is the final result, 2,061, or 1 tens place value, or no, sorry, 1 ones place value, 6 tens place values, 0 100 values, and then 2 1,000 values. And that is how you solve 4,345 minus 2,284 using the takeaway method and the hierarchy materials or manipulatives.